I have with me Dr. Sunila Garg. She is a fellow of the World Health Organization, also an advisor to ICMR. The training program for vaccinators in Delhi has begun and she's also been addressing the trainees there. We'll speak to her more on how vaccinators across India are being trained. Ma'am, my first question to you is, for the state of Delhi, how many healthcare workers are being trained currently and what does the training program involve?
Yeah. So basically, we have to look at 609 cold chain points. So whichever machinery is involved, so we have got approximately 3,500 people whom we are targeting first, but you have to remember that this is a big program. So we are targeting everyone, basically who is going to be involved in immunization process right from the state level. That means the state immunization officer, and then, down below to the district level, and then we are going to go to the grassroots levels. So see that everyone is there who is trained. Now coming to the real situation, what is going to happen at the booth on the day of vaccine, it's not that we start afresh. We have to make preparations much in advance in terms of, how the vaccines will be coming to the cold chain point, number one. Number two is that, so they have to have at least 3 rooms. If we cannot make one room which is going to be very crowded. Okay, so then there is going to be point 1 where the officer number 1 is going to sit. So who makes sure that he or she is the right candidate for the vaccine. Number 2 is he is going to verify his or her identity. Number 3 is that we are going to have 2 people who are going to monitor the crowd. And also simultaneously, there are going to be people who are vaccinated and sitting over there. They have to be monitored for good half an hour. And their important role is also to see that not only they lose a sight of, that of the adverse event, anything which happens, which they have to respond to very quickly, but also they have to see that there is a responsible environment which is maintained over there so that we do not have any rumors coming out. Let's say, God forbid, if there is some person who develops a allergic reaction and all that, so we have to behave very responsibly and act immediately. So it is not, because every person is different, his response is different. Though as of now in our clinical trials, we have got no major side effects except any vaccine will have the pain, fever and all, which usually subsides in 24 hours. But definitely we are having, anaphylaxis management trays also over there. Then comes the job of inoculators, or there are going to be 2 people, and we have kept that in a day we will be doing not more than 100 vaccines nations a day, and these are going to function from 9 to 5. That is going to be their activity. And then comes the important role of monitoring. That means the team leader is going to see that, at the vaccination point or at the cold chain point, everything happens smoothly. There is a good monitoring and evaluation mechanism. And the last and most important thing is that apart from monitoring all of this, that we have to do proper biomedical waste management. That means whatever, vaccine has been utilized and needles and syringes and all that, we are going to use the auto-disabled syringes. But then you see their disposal is very important, which is already worked out with regard to universal immunization program. So that way India is very lucky.